So in this module, we are going to discuss our 16th one. In the adjacent figure, it is given that AB equal to AC, that two are equal. So AB is equal to AC. So next one, angle BAC. Angle BAC will be equal to 36 degrees. That is the angle BAC. And angle ADB. Angle ADB equal to 45 degrees. Then angle AEC, that will be equal to 40 degrees. So we have to find angle ABC and the angle ACB. So if two sides are equal in isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, then two angles also, opposite angles also equal. So if two sides are equal, then what you can say? Opposite angles also are equal. Opposite angles also are equal. So what you can say here is angle B equal to angle C. Let's take this is x degrees and x degrees. From what you can say, from angle sum property, triangle ABC, what you can see here is angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degrees. So here angle A is equal to 36 degrees plus angle B is equal to x degrees, angle C will be equal to x degrees, that will be equal to 180 degrees. So 36 degrees plus 2x degree will be equal to 180 degrees. Then 2x degree will be equal to 180 minus 36 degrees. Then what you will get here is, so let's take 180 minus 36 degrees will be equal to 144 degrees. That will be equal to 2x degree equal to 144 degrees. Then x will be equal to 144 by 2. So what is that here is? So let's take here 2 ones are 2 sevens are. Then 2 twos are. That will be equal to 72 degrees. So here 72, here 72 degrees. So these two are the angles, 72 degrees and 72 degrees. Next one, what you can take it here as, so they're asking that we have already calculated first one, angle ABC. ABC will be equal to 72 degrees. Second one, angle ACB will be equal to 72 degrees. So that will be the 72 degrees. Then what you can say here is we have to find DAB. DAB. So DAB. So this angle we have to find. So that angle how to find here is we can go with one method. So this angle we're going to calculate. We can calculate this one and we can make it that one. We can calculate, or otherwise we can go with some of these all the angles, then we can subtract these angles. So what is this angle is? Let's take in triangle ADB. What you can take? ADB. This is the angle. Let's take this angle will be from angle sum property. This is the linear pair. So this angle is 180 minus. So 180 minus 72. So what is this? 180 minus 72 will be equal to, what is that angle? 180 minus 72 will be 108 degrees. So this angle is 108 degrees. Then we can calculate angle A. So sum of angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle D will be equal to 180 degrees. So angle A we have to find. Angle B is nothing but 108 degrees. Then angle D is nothing but 45 degrees. DAB. So plus angle DAB. DAB will be equal to 190 degrees. Angle DAB is nothing but angle A, 180 minus 108 plus 45. 108 plus 45 will be equal to 153 degrees. So that is 153 degrees. So what is that? 180 minus 153 will be equal to 27 degrees. So angle DAB will be equal to 27 degrees. Then we have to find another angle. So what is that angle here is? This angle we have to find. Angle ECA. So from linear pair, what you can see here is, so let's take that angle will be equal to 180 minus 72. This also 180 degrees. 108 degrees. How? Because here 180 minus 72. So from these angles we are calculated 180. Then what you can say here is, what you can go, so here we can go with, so here 180 degrees. So as I told here 72, 72, here 108, here 27 degrees. Then we can calculate this angle by 180, linear pair 180 minus 72, that will be equal to 108. So this angle we can find. So here that is the angles. So going to find is from triangle ACE. So what is the angle sum property here is angle A plus angle C plus angle E will be equal to 180 degrees. So angle A is nothing but we have to find plus angle C is nothing but 108 degrees, then angle E will be equal to 40 degrees. That will be equal to 180 degrees. So angle A plus 108 minus plus 40, 148 degrees, that will be equal to 180 degrees. Then angle A will be equal to 180 degrees minus 148 degrees. So 180 minus 148. So what is that here is 32 degrees. So 32 degrees, that will be equal, therefore angle A will be equal to 32 degrees. That is the value. That is nothing but angle EAC. That will be equal to 32 degrees. Like this we need to solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello viewers, in this module we are going to discuss 17th one. Using information given the figure, calculate the values of x and y. So here what is that is, so let's consider these angles ABC. From triangle ABC, what you can say here is angle sum property of all the angle sum property of all the angles will be equal to 180 degrees. So sum of all the angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is nothing but 34 degrees and angle B is nothing but 62 degrees. Then angle C we have to find. So angle C will be equal to, here inside we are calculating. Next, 34 and 96 degrees plus angle C will be equal to 180 degrees. Then angle C will be equal to 180 minus 96. What is that is? So 180 minus 96 will be equal to 84 degrees. So 84 degrees we got. So this angle is 84 degrees, means from what you can say here is from linear pair, this sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degrees. From linear pair, what you can say, from linear pair, angle x degrees plus 84 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees. Then x degrees will be equal to 180 minus 84. What you will get here is 180 minus 84 will be equal to 96 degrees. So angle x will be equal to 96 degrees. So like that we need to calculate. And y degrees will be equal to, let's consider angle DEA, that will be equal to y degrees, that is from exterior angle. So exterior angle will be nothing but exterior angle, sum of the interior opposite angles. That y degrees will be equal to x degrees plus 24 degrees, then x degrees will be equal to 96 plus 24 degrees. So 96 plus 24 will be equal to, what you can say, 120 degrees. So that is 120 degrees, that will be equal to 120 degrees. Or you can go with another method. What you can say here is, from y you can take it as this angles. So from this angle sum property, as I told here, what is this angle? So that angle x will be equal to 96 degrees, here 96 degrees, here 84 degrees. So that is the value. So what you can say, from linear pair, from triangle, let's take DCE. So angle D plus angle C plus angle E will be equal to 180 degrees. So angle D is nothing but 24, angle C is nothing but, what is that, 96 degrees, then angle E from 180 degrees. So here angle E will be equal to 180 minus 24 plus 96, 24. So here it's making angle 180 minus 120 degrees. So 180 minus 120 degrees will be equal to 60 degrees. Angle E will be equal to 60 degrees. So here angle E will be equal to 60 degrees. Then from linear pair, y degrees plus angle E will be equal to 180 degrees from linear pair. We are calculated from linear pair. So what is that? So y degrees will be equal to 180 minus angle E. That will be equal to 180 minus angle E is nothing but 60 degrees. Then what you will get? 120 degrees. So y degrees will be equal to 120 degrees. Like this also we can solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.